Okay, friends, I just wanted to get you into this first spreadsheet so you can see what you're looking at. So what you've got here is you've got each state in alphabetical order, plus Washington, D.C., because D.C. gets to vote in presidential elections too, all the way down through Wyoming, last in alphabetical order. And then you've got in column B all the EVs each state gets. So Alabama, as I'm recording this video in October of 2020, Alabama has 9 electoral votes, Alaska has 3, Arizona has 11, and so forth and so on. That might change. Sometimes it changes after the 10-year census, so we'll see if this still holds up into the future. Next column is how many popular votes were actually counted in each of those states. So Alabama had about 2.1 million, Alaska had about 1/3 of a million, 2.5 million in Arizona, and so forth and so on. And then I broke up column D and E and F and G for Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump and the popular votes they got in each of those states. So for example, Hillary got about 730,000 of Alabama's popular votes. Trump got about 1.3 million of them. Now, if you look at how that works, Trump got more of the popular vote. Alabama gives all 9 of those electoral votes to Trump. So that becomes part of his electoral vote total. And that's what it is all about. It's about accumulating electoral votes. So Alaska, Hillary got fewer than Trump. That means Trump got all of Alaska's electoral votes. Arizona, right? She got fewer, but not many fewer, but it doesn't matter. The way Arizona does its electoral votes, Trump gets them all, even though she was only fewer than 100,000 shy of what he got. There's some states she won. She won California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, and so forth. And you can kind of see, as you go down, you can see the states and how they went. There are only 2 states currently that operate differently than the other states, and that's Maine and I think it's Nebraska. So Maine has some weird little system. It's got 4 total electoral votes, but for some reason it breaks them out into these different regions. And if you highlight across here and take a look, you can see that somehow Trump got 1 and Hillary got 3 of the 4. And I don't even pretend to understand how that works. And this lab is not about how that works. So I'm just going to say that now. And I think Nebraska is the other one. Yeah, Nebraska actually has 4 different regions. But Trump got all of their votes, all 5 of their votes. So anyway, the point of these first couple questions is for you to figure out how many electoral votes Clinton got and Trump got. So have at it.